Shalom and you're welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we would be creating our own WhatsApp bots. Okay, I'm showing you how you can create your own WhatsApp bots for the that can automatically be liking your status and also viewing people's status, automatically like it, and it has other various features like being able to download from other social media, and also you can also save view ones and deleted messages and all of those kind of stuff. Okay, and it's actually very simple. So first of all, you go over to the description of this video and you get the link to this particular web app. All right, you get a link to it. Okay, but then before we proceed, I would like to introduce you to a platform. Okay, that was built for e-commerce people that do business online. So if you are someone who is into online business, you sell things online, whether Instagram, Facebook, social media. Okay, so this is a platform where you can use to create an online store for your business. Okay, so as you can see, other businesses have similarly created platforms for their businesses where they are selling their items on. Okay, so you can use this to create a store for your business where you can upload your products to it and share the link to your customers and they can be buying from it. You can upload minimum order quantity, whether your product is pre-order, out of stock, everything is in there. All right. So this video is not mainly for that, okay, but you can go into the description of the video to learn how you can also create your own store and learn about all of the available and amazing features on this platform that you can use to increase the productivity of your business. All right, so now let's go back to creating our WhatsApp bot. So yes, like I said, when you go into the link, the description of this video, you will find a link to this web app where you can use to create your own bot and link it. All right, so what you do is you input your WhatsApp number over here. Okay, you input your WhatsApp number over here, and then also after inputting the WhatsApp number, you just tap on watch ad to generate. So it's going to open up or pop up an ad. Okay, yes, it's going to pop up an ad. Then after the ad has popped up, you can just come back to this page and then it will now generate your pairing code for you. So what you do is that you go into your WhatsApp linked devices and then you even get a pop-up notification to link your device. Okay, so you go to the link devices and then you input the code over there. So I'm doing that with my phone right now. Okay, all right, so the bot has my phone has successfully connected to the bot. Okay, so yeah, my phone has successfully connected to the bot. So now what to do is when you go into your own DM, you would see this over here, bot connected successfully. All right, so now anytime you connect the bot, you get 24 hours of runtime, meaning that the bot will be active for 24 hours. Okay, so first to see what the bot is capable of, you can just type dot menu, and then when you type the dot menu, it will bring up the pop-up of everything that you can use the bot for. Okay, you can in the everything you can use the bot for, and I'll do a separate video on that, on how you can, or on explaining all of the commands of the bot. All right, yes, but then again, you can use dot stats for instance to check the statistics of what your bot is doing. Okay, so you can use the dot stats. So when you use the dot stats command, it will give you a menu like this. Okay, where you can see the current settings. So where this one, the auto view is on and everything. Yeah, everything is on, and then your remaining time too. So I started with 24 hours. Now it's left with 23.9 hours. All right. So now let's say your remaining hours are filled up. what what to do, or maybe you would want to increase your hours. What to do is that you would come back to the bot and then you input your WhatsApp number over there that you connected the bot to, and you tap on the watch ad to add 12 hours. So now any ad you watch would add 12 hours, and the maximum number of hours you can add currently is 24 hours. All right, so it will open a pop-up ad, and then you can just, it's not, you can choose to interact with the ad whether you like to or not, and then when you are done, when it's done checking, it would add 12 hours to it. So now we can come back here and type dot start again to check whether the hours that we just viewed an ad for has been added. Okay, so we are waiting for the message to finish loading. All right, so yeah, so as you can see, 12 hours has been added to it over here. So that's basically it. So yes, you can see the number of statuses it has viewed and all of this kind of stuff. So like I said, you would go in, I would do a separate video on explaining all the commands of the bot, so you can go ahead and subscribe to this channel to get a notification when that happens. All right, yes. And then also, if you're interested in creating your own online store where you can manage all of your businesses like this one too, you can go into the description of the video and tap on the GHMart tutorial link, and you can take it on from there. All right, so thank you for staying through this tutorial video. Give this video a like if it has been beneficial to you. Let it motivate me to quickly upload the second tutorial video and focus more on bringing you more valuable content like this. Give this video a comment on anything that you have to say, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as my subscriber. Shalom and bye bye.